Baba, can you believe my girlfriend broke up with me? My girlfriend broke my heart. She leave me and before they get a jamming Volkswagen, they're jamming Benz, they're jamming Bentley. Baba, I want you to give me a shot. I'll make this girl to regret it till she die, Baba. I want you to give me a shot. I'll make this girl to regret, Baba. Give me a shot, Baba. I want you to give me a shot. I'll make this girl. Shut up! You be mumu.
Instead of it to bring pants, fresh pants, man, they buy Benz for you. You don't do. Yahoo, you don't do. Robbery, you don't do. If I look into your destiny right now, I can see 5 bags of cement on top of your destiny. You cannot move forward. You're a very stupid guy. If now my daughter said I'm not going to allow her to date you, look at the kind of phone you're using with 2 different leg of shoes. At this stage, you even get to see your brother down with her. You're still looking for a woman. I don't know why people don't go ever wise for this life. Look at me now, Baba, like me. I get laptop. 4 clients like this, and they promise to pay me tomorrow. EFCC, they find me everywhere. But look at you need love potion. What do you say? If you come to my shrine again, in fact, you need to give your life to Christ. Don't ever come to my shrine again. What rubbish. You need to give your life to Christ. You love her. I talk to you, they talk say you love her. You get that in my life. What rubbish.